Hi, this video is the second in our series of the 5 new technologies that we're taking a look at and sharing. This second tool is a free resource found at worldwideweb.gedpracticequestions.com. Much like the first technology that I shared, this is a free test preparation resource that we have encouraged our students to explore and learn. This as well was shared with me by a previous student who did successfully complete all of her GED exams. This one was selected by her because it does not require a sign up, and that is why I have encouraged our students to use it as well. It is completely free and it offers multiple opportunities to take tests in each of the content area, as well as some testing tips and strategies. One of my favorite portions of this is the fact that it offers multiple tests in each of the different content areas that the students would be asked to take for the GED. And each of these tests, while short, does offer you to select, does give you the option of selecting your answer, and then you can go through and it will let you know how you performed on each of them. One thing I also appreciate about this is the fact that it does offer the GED formula sheet in the exact same format as the students would see this when they go take the math test for their GED exam. I really feel like this website does a fantastic job of aligning the questions very closely with the updated version of the new GED. It does a really good job of, while they're short questions, short tests, they still offer the students good feedback and I think a very, very honest look at what some of these questions are going to look like. It also offers access to information about study guides, but one of my favorite tools simply is the fact that the students can use this to really get a better idea of how the questions might be formatted and what they really are going to experience when they take each of those tests. The purpose of selecting this was to share another test preparation resource with both my students and colleagues. This is one that we do have curated on our Facebook group that our students have a link to so that they can easily access that if they would like to. The 2 ISTE standards that I believe are most closely aligned with this would be the ISTE standard for students, 1C, that is empowered learner, and they use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice and demonstrates their learning in a variety of ways. And I feel like anytime we give our students the opportunity to actually have a situation that simulates the test, and these really do a good job on this site, I feel like that's just going to help to bolster their confidence and gives them the ability to isolate, hey, these were portions of the test I really didn't understand. These were questions that I didn't feel like I was ready for. So it allows them to form that feedback that can help them really focus in on what they need to improve on. The second ISTE standard that I believe this is close to or aligns with would be for educators, and that is 7B. As an analyst, educators use technology to design and implement a variety of formative and summative assessments that accommodate learner needs, provide timely feedback to students, and inform instruction. And one of the things that I like to do once our students have tried out some of these free practice test sites is to have them, as they work through them, let me know which questions you missed. And when they do that, that helps me to be able to figure out what we really need to work on from here, what we might need to go back and visit, what we can do to create a better experience for our students to further advance their skills and abilities to be able to pass these tests.